Stood in the field with my face to the sky, felt the first drops fall, and I didn't ask why. The weight on my shoulders started breaking apart. Something gentle and old was washing my heart. Tears from heaven fall like rain, washing away the pain. Every drop a second chance, every storm a healing dance. Tears from heaven fall like rain, washing away the pain. I open the window, let the weather come through, let it soak all the things I've been holding on to. My hands in the downpour, my feet in the grass, learning to let go of everything that's past. Tears from heaven fall like rain, washing away the pain. Every drop a second chance, every storm a healing dance. Tears from heaven fall like rain. There's light breaking through where the clouds come undone. The earth drinks it in when the weeping is done. I'm standing here new in the clearing ahead, alive in the place where the sky touched the ground. Tears from heaven fall like rain, washing away